Hi. So this is the last stream of the year. I have no idea what we're gonna do today. Um, kinda. I don't know. Hey, Banshee. Um, well, the streams have been here, so um, yeah. Um, there, there's a few things that we could do. We could see if we can make the gearbox more reliable. We could see how to attach the uh, flare here, so the fender, how we could do the front fender. I mean, not the shape, but how the hell are we going to attach it to anything? I don't know. um, the door will be evaluated as well, because this part here, because of the shape of the fucking knocker duct, needs to be changed slightly, otherwise it's not gonna fit in. um, yeah, all possible scenarios. Everything is possible here. um, Personally, I would like to attack the gearbox for a change, because the I'm kinda tired of bodywork, but I would like to strengthen the gearbox. Needs a little bit of TLC. And we'll see. We'll see where it takes us. For this, I need to. Uh, I don't know. I don't feel like building the Ferrari today, to be honest. Come on. Okay. Oh. Okay. Don't. Okay. Then do. Right. Fine. So what we need to do here is, of course, make this flappy thing sturdier, and we need to redesign the part here in the back with a clutch mechanism that isn't going to destroy the whole system when it engages. Otherwise, you know. Yeah, Aaron. The gaps are hard to fill, and to be honest, it's a technic model. At the end of the day, we are going to try to fill in as many gaps as we can, but we are not gonna be able to fill in every gap. That is just not gonna be possible. Okay. Okay, so this needs to change dramatically. What are we going to do here? This needs to change and this needs to be improved. Yeah, look at the empty throw here. Just nothing is happening here. Yeah, and this is because of the kinematic of this. This needs to be as low as it is. Yeah, this is not right. Fuck off. Actually, this thing here can be higher. It can be higher, and it will be higher. Let's make it higher. So, let's make it higher. So, this feels already better. Let's test it again, if this is correct. If it doesn't obstruct anything. If it doesn't, then we can make it more solid. Lo and behold, it doesn't. It's fine. Great. second. Just want to check something. Okay. It is okay. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna make it a lift arm, right? So this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, and another 4. So it's 8 studs high. Okay, we don't have an 8 stud lift arm. We don't have an 8 stud lift arm. So it's gonna be a two-piece affair. I hate this. I have to test it again. See where the limits are. Yeah, as I thought. Okay. So this would be 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So this and then 5. What? Ed, what? FFCF, what the hell is that? So, gonna do this as well, and then this. Then this here, and this should be a lot sturdier than what we have here, because this has slack only here, not here, and all of this is wiggling a lot less than this. And the second part, it's gonna be this one, not even. Okay. Okay, yeah, this feels a lot better. Still not good, because we need to tackle this one, but better. Okay, let me remember why we did this here. Why did we did this? I bet because of the steering. But let's insert it into the car and see where it hit anything. Oh, of course. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, okay, of course, this guy here is now hitting the steering. Yeah, obviously. Obviously. That's good. Okay. So is this even optimal? This no. Or this is garbage. I don't like this at all. This is still better. Okay. Let's see what the issue here was. Why would you not go fully in? Please explain. What the? Oh, right. I am stupid. Hey, non-mullet. Let's see. Is this still gonna be a good idea? Yes. Okay. It still fits. Very good. But needs a little bit of strengthening. Okay. No problem. No problem. So basically, what you see here, it fits. But you see, this needs a bit of reinforcement. So basically, these these move a little bit too much when shifting. I cannot reinforce them here, so I need to reinforce it here. Here. Yeah. But the one thing that I wanted to check, I didn't. What's the name of your channel now? Okay, so this was the issue. Let's see. Because of the steering column, we have to change it because of that. GR. How could we do this better? I have a slightly stupid idea. Is this even viable? No, of course it isn't. It isn't viable because I cannot have another this somewhere here. Oh, that is real. Yeah, it shows. It shows. I can see it. God damn it! There's no real possibility to to make this section here better, because this section really sucks. It's kind of weak link and everything, but I cannot have anything here because of the steering shaft. we are stuck. I see. I mean, it cannot go further, but you can see where the weak link is. So we have to do this a little bit more, a little bit better. Someone's having literally a blast outside. I don't know if you can hear this on the microphone. God damn it, this is so convoluted. Cannot have it here. Okay. Okay. Well, I guess it depends on your speakers. I mean, ideally it would be just, you know, if we had a 5-stud lift arm here until here, and it's gonna be fine. But we have our steering shaft here. Could we go with half this? Let's check. Go with half a stud. Yes, half a stud would work. Half a stud would work. No, we can't. We can't because we have this. Ben, we have this, and extending the arms would not do us any good. The central column would still be in the way. So I mean, Christian, sorry, we can't. But we can use a half a stud lift arm here. That might do all the difference. So if we have this, this, I mean, if you have an idea, please share it with me. I do not know exactly what you mean. Hmm. Okay, that first challenge. First challenge. Pinhole, pinhole. But we have an axle hole in between. How do we reconcile this? How do we reconcile this? Oh. Fucking hate this. Every time I try to solve it, there's another brick in the way. So we have, this is the one coming from the shifter. This is the thing, the arm, and then we need a half a stud 5 stud long lift arm here, and it has a pinhole on each side and an axle hole in between. Lovely. So this is shit. This is shit. There's no part that would allow this to happen. Wrong. We have the room to do this. We have the room to have one stud on the bottom. Yes, of course, yeah. This shit managed to dislodge itself. Yeah. Naturally. Question is, how do we do this situation here? I guess we do it like this. Basically, I just want to see if there's a difference at all, and if there is, we're gonna do something. We'll see. First, the most difficult thing on this entire build, getting this part here inside there. Come on. Oh, I would need a hook for this. Something. How are we going to... Okay. We have a chance. There. Okay. Now, is this gonna feel better or not? Why is it stuck? Why are you stuck? For what reason are you stuck? Why is he stuck? It sticks for no reason. For no apparent reason. I mean, this feels like a million times better than before. Obviously, it can be still optimized, but the feeling here is like much better. Feels a lot more solid. But let's mount this into the car and see if this clears the steering. Okay, so far so good. What about between shifting? Come on. Yeah. It fits. There's like a goat's hair of space between it, but it fits. I have no idea how to show it to you. Maybe like this. Yeah. Do you see it? Okay. It just barely doesn't touch it. So it's fine. Okay. Okay. Great. Is this worth pursuing, or is this just, you know? I feel that this might be part of the problem. You know, of this getting stuck. But I don't know how to fix this. Don't really want to overdo it with parts either. We do kind of have the room, but only kind of. Yeah. Now, if this was not doing this, maybe, just maybe, we would stand a chance. Oh, yeah. So much better. Like literally. No getting stuck anymore. Not getting stuck anymore. I cannot use this hole because it's covered by the frame rail of the car. Ideally, we would have the same one on the other side, but that's not gonna happen. I don't think so, at least. Hey, Maxim. It could. It could. Yeah, then we can get rid of this awkward thing and this awkward thing, but we need to re-engineer this guy here. Yeah, that would even look better and be more reliable. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one is not necessary here, but we need to disassemble this. Yeah, it is what it is. What would be easier, this or this? I think this. I hope I made the right decision. No, I made the wrong decision. Of course. Yeah. That train has sailed, right? Okay. This is there because of that. And this is here. Yeah. Okay. Complex problem. This wasn't just trivial, but we can, or can we? We need this guy here on each side, but at the same time we do need this part here to hold this and this, but it's now just being held on by this without the option of having anything here between. Lovely. So much fun. I mean, while we are here, we can change this because this is unnecessary. This is perfectly fine. There. This is perfectly fine. Maybe it's gonna be good enough as this. Let's see. You know, it's not really holding anything spectacularly important, so and I completely forgot how this was made. I think it was like this. Yeah. Yes. We just need to find a way to have this supported. It's gonna be, yeah. So here, and we're gonna have a 6. Or yeah, 6. There. That's probably gonna be even better than the initial design. Come on. Why is it getting stuck? All right. Okay, will do. Just let me see what's happening here. Yeah, but this isn't causing the problem. No. What is causing the problem? Maybe this is causing the problem. That this can go front and back. Or not really evident why we are getting stuck. Here, it's sticking. Why is it sticking? Maybe if I adjust this a little bit to the center. No, but it... Come on! Fuck! It's sticking so much. It's all of a sudden. For no apparent reason. Let me just adjust this. Fuck me. So we need to be in first gear. First gear is this. Yeah. And here we need to be. We are going this way. Let's study this. Let's study this without the rest. No, it's not. The problem is not in the mechanism here. Although here. Or no, it's not here. The problem is entirely here. Okay. Where were we? First gear was here or on the other side. So if we want to go, we shift up by by pulling the shifter back. If we pull the shifter back, then this is the last gear. So first gear is this. Yeah. So we pull shifter back. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Much better. Much better. One thing that we need to solve on this side, however, I have noticed that the axle or whatever it is that's pulling this is kind of wonky. Well, we'll see this once it's in the car. Yeah, but let's do what Christian proposed. Let's do the frame rails. So when we put this in, come on, okay, you can see that before these here were obstructed by the gearbox and engine. Now they're not. So we can lengthen these to the full extent, I think. Basically, we can lengthen them here and here to make them as long as possible and make the car as strong as possible in the process. So one side at a time, of course. Don't need you. There we go. There we go. This is not adding much weight, but it's adding a lot more strength. There we go. But since the way the engine and gearbox are being put in, see, we have the option, to be precise, to have something here if we decide to do this. So basically, the body cannot be squeezed, you know, or anything, even though when the engine is in, you know, it's fine. Yeah, we could have something here if we decided. But for now, you know, for now it's not necessary, I guess. Okay, so let's check let's check this. So we have these two, and obviously what's gonna happen is this is gonna want to do this. So we need to create something here so it doesn't do this. And the simplest thing that we could do is just put this connector on, and it's fine. This of course is happening when we are engaging our key function. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing now? Okay. Why is this being pulled in this direction? Interesting. What? Why? Interesting. So here in the front, this is being pulled apart. Of course, because this needs a few more holes. Yeah. Needs a longer lift arm. How long? Yes. This long. Of course. What do you mean, Christian? If I'm serious. Please elaborate. I am confused. Oh yes. This is not so much better. Much, much better. There's a reason. Why it's so, right? Yeah, I see it now. I see it now. The problem is I was still thinking um, about it when this was lower, but now it's higher, and it's irrelevant. Yeah, of course, absolutely, of course. I am sorry. I am stupid. This is so stupid. Uh, yeah, unfortunately, this build is never gonna be a Lego set. That is not gonna happen either way. There is no possibility of this happening. Absolutely none. Zero. Why am I? Why is this? What? Oh. Okay. No, it needs to be the other way. This. Oh, come on. Yeah. So now this is better. A lot better. Yeah. A lot better. Yeah. So, next challenge. Yeah, I mean, there's several reasons why it's never gonna be a Lego set. The complexity is not one of them, but yeah. Where? Yeah. So this here needs to be redesigned anyway. This frame here in the rear is I don't like it. It's it's kind of stupid and it disconnects and stuff. Yeah, you see, it's just not okay. And yeah, plus yeah, and Lego doesn't have these. Lego doesn't have these, but you could change these by directly putting the Lego blades in there, and it's gonna be fine. It would work with only slight redesign. But what is worrying me here the most is these motors, once they engage, they put a lot of force directly into the drivetrain. would there be a possibility to soften this a little bit so it wouldn't directly get all harshness into it? For example, with my thought was if we used these somehow. You know, in a pattern like this. Not sure if this would help or if this would have any effect because there's no real space between them. Let me demonstrate what I had in mind. This is totally not gonna work. Totally not. But yeah, I can already feel it not working. You know, if this was, if for example the drive would be applied to here and then the output here, but you know, the harshness in this setup here is going to be just the same because this is basically a rigid setup, and you know, yeah, it does move a little bit, but that's ignorable, literally. That's shit because the distances are too small, and this would have to stretch more to provide the dampening effect that I would like. So yeah, this is shit. So the question is it even possible? Yeah, that's the next next hurdle. I am not so sure. Hearth joint. What is a hearth joint? Can you post a picture in Discord, maybe? Meanwhile, I would like to see if we can improve this part here. How we could improve it. Okay. And something simple up here, and this is it. Instead of all of this here valuable parts, we are using this here, and it's pretty much a lot better than what we had. Yeah, I mean, Orbitus, you must understand that I am not in the position to use my keyboard at the moment, so how does this even work? How does this work? Oh yeah, okay. That's why we don't have that. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is not gonna go anywhere. No. Oh, I hate those wires. Yeah, of course. I am not happy because of this here. Because obviously forgot. I forgot that here, with this, we had the mount point here as well. Yeah. Okay. I mean, no big deal. We need to just extend this by 2 studs. This one here. Okay. What do we do? What do we do here? Just one? Is that enough? Is that enough? Come on. Okay. Of course. What? You know, when you over engineer, do it right. Um, so this is, you know, we have this part here, so it's kind of holding everything in, reducing friction, you know, and we don't want the driving axles to be the ones holding it in, you know. This is fine because this gets still attached to the chassis here. Obviously, but okay. So I guess no safety, no safety. We are going in full danger. Yeah, it's fine. It is fine. Did we forget anything? And let's see. Let's put this in. Okay. So the engine is driving at the same speed as the driving motors. It is, of course, we have a, by the way, we have a gigantic void here. You know, you can hide so many mechanisms in here. Just because we have this engine here. We can have gray engine blocks, no problem. I mean, I have them, we can put it on. It's gonna be aesthetically more pleasing, I guess, yeah. Ideally, of course, the engine would be lower, but that's not gonna happen simply because we cannot solve the situation with the gears here otherwise, because of the crankshaft. And if we cannot move the engine further forward because we have the steering here already. So if we would be able to move the engine one stud forward, we would already be able to do something here. But we can't. That's, you know, unfortunate, but that's how it is. And we also cannot move the gears here one stud further back because there's the differential. So, you know, it is what it is. We are stuck in this situation. This is so annoying. I'm just gonna pin this so it doesn't flop around. So we continuously attached clutch. I don't know. I don't know. This would slip and where. Not sure if I would want this. I mean, the engine makeup that we can have is like some exhaust tips here with connectors. You know, that's what we could do, but not much, not much of. I mean, this will definitely be a point of critique. The engine bay is, um, not really made to look good, but you know, yeah. But Camtech, we would like to have minor slippage at low RPM, if anything. So at low speeds, when the car is starting up, that's the first problem, starting up the car. And the second problem is, of course, if you want to brake, if you brake, and you obviously you brake at higher speeds, but you start up at lower speeds. So I don't know. Ideally, we would have just a rubber thing that would be able to deform to take up the harshness of the engines starting and reversing, mm, and that would then compress. And I don't know, not sure. A clutch as such is not what I would like here. Mm. But I am really, really proud of the gearbox that we did. It's really nice. Yeah, I mean, you cannot have everything. You cannot have everything. But this gearbox here, I am really not sure if we could do anything really significantly better. It uses as few parts as possible, yet is so strong. Where? I mean, there are possibilities, but I would need to know where. It's still a little bit sticky. But the stickiness, I think the stickiness is because of the wet boxes. These stick. Because there's really no reason why it would stick. This mechanism here is perfect. Come on. What the? Let me just quickly check if the order of gears is correct. So this is first gear. Then, okay, the order of gears is not correct. Right. Just a second. Let's correct this. Come on. All right. This doesn't do anything. Um. So this is first gear, then it needs to go, yeah. Where did I go wrong? We didn't change anything here. Come on. Okay, these are probably out of sync. So first gear. First gear. Then we have second gear. Is the order of this different? Probably. Just a second. So no, it doesn't matter. Second gear. Ah, okay. Okay. We change higher by pulling back, but this is reversed. Where did we go wrong? In the gearbox that we have here, we change, if we go, so pulling back should change to a higher gear. But we are in first gear now. And theoretically, this should pull forward to second gear. But it's gonna go back to fourth gear, which is, yeah. So, yeah, fourth gear shouldn't. Now it goes to third gear. Yeah, back is going down. Yeah, it's just reversed of what we want. How do we change this? Shit. How do we change this? Yeah, I saw it. I'll try it. I'll try it. That's awkward. I don't think we can change this. You see, one moment you are marveling at the beauty of the gearbox, then you realize that the shifting pattern is reversed of what it should be. And it's a mechanical thing that you like literally cannot change. Yeah, I see it. I'll try it. I'll try it just as soon as I'm mentally ready to accept that we have a gearbox that has a reverse shifting pattern. But it is what it is. We cannot change it. So this is first gear. It's first gear. and then it goes second gear, first gear. Second, third, fourth, and now I have to counterintuitively I go down by pulling back. That is awkward. Come on! Shift. Oh yeah, it's on the stopper. That's very rough. What if I hold this one with my finger so it cannot move that much? Yeah, okay, then it's even worse. Look at this. Motherfucker won't shift. Mirror gearbox. Whew. Would it help? Would it actually change differently? For fuck's sake, why is this so rough? I mean, it's even stuck. Why are you stuck? There is no reason for you to be stuck. None whatsoever. I don't know. I know even less than you. I don't know. This is highly inconsistent. Sometimes it goes smooth and sometimes it's stuck for no apparent reason. Here, look at this. It's stuck. Why? Why are you stuck? This direction, no problem. Interesting. I am absolutely sure that it's these boxes. There's no other explanation. Fuck. Come on. let's try these. I'm gonna go mad here. So obviously I want to give them a fair chance. See if, you know, if this concept works under ideal circumstances. Yeah, and it's not really. I mean, they give a little more way than before, but insignificant. Insignificant because the distance here is too small. See, the distance between these two and these two is way too small. There's no room for the rubber to stretch. That's why the effect is not really of significance. I have too little brain power to imagine if a mirrored gearbox would actually work. Yeah. So, see, this one I have built before. This was my first, my initial thought. What you posted in Discord, and it doesn't work either. Does not work either. Sadly. Um, I mean, what the fuck? Why so crunchy? Well, we would need to mirror this part, of course, not this part. This part can stay the same. That's insignificant. I mean, it. The gray part here, the detachable part, is the same in both instances. But I am absolutely not sure if this would change anything. Let me try. Since the gears, this part here would stay the same. Only these two would, basically these two would change. Change place. Wait. No, a mirrored gearbox would not do anything. I am pretty sure that a mirrored gearbox would do 0. Yeah, well, needs testing. Needs testing. Needs testing. I mean, obviously, I'm not gonna discard anything just yet, but needs some testing. Okay, trust this more. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, it's definitely inside here. The 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 reluctance to shift. It's in here. That's the other question, of course. No, for fuck's sake, shift. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. It's stuck. Fuck. Shift. Yeah, it's this one is stuck. It's now worse than before. Now it's completely stuck. Wonderful. Just wonderful. Now it doesn't want to shift at all. Fuck me. Second. Let's see now. So in this direction, it's still stuck. So this direction. You can like hear it cracking. Holy shit. I mean, my hope here is that I can at least run it in a little bit. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. Good God, it's shit. Fuck me. Doesn't want to shift. Shit. I mean, how can these be so shit? And we tried several. We tried several of these to find two that are acceptable. I mean, how can the quality be so different? In one direction, it shifts fine. In the other direction, it just gets stuck. It's so hard to turn. Man, it sucks so bad. So, if we downshift, no problem. If we upshift, upshifting is very hard. This is a joke. This is a fucking joke. It's this one. This is the offender. I don't know. What the fuck? This is comical. Literally comical. Holy shit. This is all happening here inside of the shifter. Inside of this one. It is struggling so hard to shift. So fucking hard. In one direction it goes smooth as butter. No. It's this one. There's literally nothing here. There's no friction here. But god damn it. Look, you can see this? How it's struggling. How it's literally being pushed apart. This one doesn't want to turn. Because of this. Literally. Look at that. Everything is getting twisted. Fuck me. Let's take this part out of the equation. What? I don't understand. Did I disconnect something? And this one too. What? Suddenly. This one. No, it's not that. It's not the fact that it's moving. It should move. The pins don't fit in here. Pins don't fit in here. This is not a hole for this. What the fuck? Why? I don't understand. I really don't get it. Now this one doesn't want to turn either. And it went smooth before. For what? When you turn the shifter completely move. I don't know what you wanted to say. This just made no sense to me what you said. I mean, every system by itself works smooth, but when combined, it looks that it goes all to shit. Why? I don't know. It's stuck. It's completely stuck. I don't understand. I literally don't understand. It's like just doesn't want to shift. Look at this. Look at this. How it struggles just to turn. My God. First one side, then the other side. Literally doesn't want to turn. Holy shit. Look at that. How it's twisting it. Fuck. Literally, this doesn't want to turn. This guy doesn't want to turn. All of a sudden, it worked. Up until now, it worked. Now it doesn't want to work. I don't know. This is some voodoo. See, here it kind of in one direction works fine, in the other direction it kind of works fine. I don't know. I'm too stupid for that. Sorry. Doesn't want to shift. You see? Doesn't want to shift. Binds up. And then it flies off. Yeah, maybe I should. Maybe I should try the Lego shifters. Come on. Go inside. Of course not. Everything needs to be taken out, and then this guy may be go inside. Not like this. Maybe like this. Oh, finally. Is it any better? Oh, this, of course, this one flew out as well. Normally. I I don't understand this. It's definitely these boxes. They are the ones that are preventing us from shifting properly. Holy shit. Really? Wow. Wow. I mean, you can clearly see that the issue is not here in any of this uh, transfer mechanism. So it's not in the knob gears. It's here. Because this knob gear at one point doesn't want to turn. And then, of course, it's gonna get pulled out of its socket. Because this is fucking stuck. Like, for example, at the moment. It's stuck in either direction. I don't understand because the design of this is okay, but the problem is I think the casing is completely wrong. No, no, no. It's the casing, basically. See, these here run in the casing, but when you have the shifter in them, they are binding up. Everything works very nice and freely, except of this. Doesn't matter, Ben. Even if I brace it, it just doesn't want to. I can feel it. It's stuck. It's stuck internally. Internally, it's stuck, but it's friction. I don't know. I don't know. I don't even know how to brace it, because you would need to brace it from all four sides. I don't know. This is not recommended because it's too much. But now it's braced now. It's still shit. Let's brace the other one. So both are now braced, and they're still garbage. One direction goes, yeah, the other one does not. The other one just stuck. Yeah, I know, right? It was working. The problem is when you give this to a customer. So you make a set of this. Give two random shift boxes into the set, and they don't work. They bind up like this. That's the problem. You know, this is just stuck, and the stuck is here in the fucking box. No, no, not because they get pushed further. It's because where's an axle? You know, this works smooth now, but the moment I put some pressure, or I don't even know what it is that I need to push on it to not work smoothly. Pressure inside, I don't know. I don't know. This is the one that we looped up and it didn't work, in one of those ports. I don't know. See, now it works. Now it works fine. Like a motherfucker. But when I want it to work, no, it doesn't. And I bet if I put it in here, it won't work. I know, Christian, I know. But I know this would work. There's no mystery. Yeah, I know. This one seems to be working fine. Let's see about this one. I can literally feel it. Yeah, it's stuck. Just a little pressure and it's literally stuck. I am not sure what the problem is. This is the smoothest that works. I don't know. I know. I know. But, you know, still, I'm pretty sure, I mean, as far as I know, Nico has designed a car with this part inside. I am pretty sure there will be complaints, to put it mildly. There will be complaints about that. Look at that. I mean, I don't know exactly what the problem is, but something is binding up in them in one direction, and the other direction is very rough. The same guy that designed the red Italian sports car, as far as I know. I mean, it's laughable. I don't know what to say. It's just comical. What is it in those actuators that make it do this? Yeah, I mean, I'm just, you know, I'm not frequenting Eurobricks. Maybe the problem is already known on Eurobricks and I don't know about it because I'm not there. So if anybody here is on Eurobricks, sniff around and... Oh, Bruno's. Okay, yeah, Bruno's. Yeah, exactly. And I think Bruno is I don't know if he's partly responsible for the design of this or not. I mean, the part itself is fine. The design is... There's nothing wrong with the basic design, but it's I don't know if it's manufacturing or something that makes them do this. I mean, look at this. It's stuck again. It's stuck again in both directions. Incredible. It's stuck. does not want to turn. I mean, it's not mechanical. It's. No, I am on Eurobricks, but I don't follow Eurobricks. I wasn't on the forum for God knows how long. I'm not in the debate, you know. It's amazing. In one direction, they both go fine. The moment I switch directions, they bind up. Yeah. The moment I switch directions, they completely bind up. I think this one wants to turn, but this one is kind of stuck. One direction, yes. The other one, as if I don't know, the plate that's in here gets, you know, a little bit, you know, a little bit off, and then it just sticks. Yeah, just one direction fine, the other direction just does not want, and it's here. Yeah, it's here. So stiff. See, in one direction, fine. The other direction, let's try it very easy. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Let's not even try it. Yeah, it's this one. Doesn't want to move. In one direction, fine. The other direction, it just binds up. And there's nothing I can do. Nothing. Yeah. The moment I switch directions, this one gets stuck in the housing. But it's not like, it's just binding up, if you know what I mean. It's torsion or something that's just binds it up, and it won't move. No matter what you do, it won't move. It will twist the gearbox apart. It won't move. But then you just apply a little, you know, something, and it suddenly moves. I don't know why. I don't know. This is tragic. Really tragic. Yeah, let's try the clutch. Let's see. Maybe this one works. I have opened it in the past. I can open it, sure. Let me just try this real quick. What gray sliders? Oh, those one. Yeah, the gray sliders are not the problem. Okay. Nah. One direction fine ish. The other no. That this has no future. This has no future. Not in Lego. Yeah, these sliders are fine. They don't bind up. They have nothing, nowhere to bind up. It's a smooth surface they're running on. It's this this that gets stuck. Let me get a screwdriver. Just a second. Okay, so let's open this up again. So it's really simple. You have 4 of these, the sliders, and you have the fork. Then you have this. Okay. So if there's no fork inside, this just runs freely and no sliders move. But then you insert the fork into one of these, and there's only one direction you can insert it, and the fork suddenly engages with the groove in the slider. And then when you turn the slider makes the fork go back and forth. But the action is not smooth. I don't know why, because there's no obvious reasons why it wouldn't be smooth. But it is not. It is not. And I don't know if it's the groove that the forks run in, or if it's something else. You know, I don't know, because this looks. Come on, focus. This looks smooth to me, and I highly doubt it's these mold marks. Shouldn't be the problem. I mean, this has a mold mark as well, but it's also smooth, and I cannot feel any problems on each side. And the groove here looks perfectly smooth as well. You know. I don't know. Well, Christian, technically this is true, but that doesn't explain that some run fine and some don't. if you know what I mean. If this would be true, then they would consistently, all of them would be problematic, but only some are. Yeah, maybe, but there's not much load. I mean, there's some slack, obviously. Maybe, but if I rotate them, they still slide smoothly. Who is going to explain why we're not using them? I don't know. I don't know. This is frustrating because I like them, but they are just not performing consistently. And as I said before, yeah, the problem is with the customer. Customers will expect, yeah, just pop it in and it's gonna work. But I mean, obviously it's not. It's not working for us. And we are kind of doing our best to make it work. I don't know. Well, I don't know. I mean, maybe Bruno is aware of this. They're maybe solving this problem, or I don't know. See, now it works. Now it works. I don't know. Problem is, I don't know why. I don't know why now it now works. Now it works the way it's supposed to. Beautiful. I don't know. Now it runs beautiful. But it's inconsistent. It Some of them run good, some don't, or in some positions they run good. I don't know. It's the same parts. I changed them a few times and it's the same, literally the same parts. Now they run good, before they didn't. Frustrating to deal with, really. And I am afraid that customers will have a bad experience dealing with this. Look. And I really don't know what we could do here with our system that would make it less prone to failure, because these are made by design to be floating like they are here. You know, it's not like these were made to be fixed. The red fork is the way it is. I cannot change it. I don't know. Anyway, it is late. I'm tired, and this is the stream to end a interesting year. So we, in the coming month or two, we need to finish this car. No matter what, we need to finish it and ship it. I have sent my Countach some of Christian's renders. Obviously, I don't expect any answer until Tuesday. But you know, we'll see. We'll see. I wish everyone a smooth transition into the new year. Don't drink too much. Don't use fireworks. Usual. And I see you basically on Monday. Or if I'm really bored, then on Sunday. And on Sunday, if we have a stream, we're going to build the Kada Ferrari. Yeah, that would be the plan. Yeah, I know. We need to finish the bodywork, but I needed some change, which resulted in interesting discoveries. Yeah, everybody stay safe, and I see you in the next year.